Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's completely transforming the online creator landscape in 2025, artificial intelligence tools and how they're revolutionizing content creation. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these AI tools are changing the game. And the best part? You don't need to show your face to build a successful channel anymore. Before we get started, if you find value in today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss future content. Now let's jump right in. The creator economy has exploded to over $250 billion in 2025, with more people than ever making substantial income online. But here's what's interesting, faceless channels are seeing some of the highest growth rates across platforms. Why? Because audiences are increasingly focused on valuable information rather than personality-driven content. This shift has created massive opportunities for creators who prefer to stay behind the scenes. Let's look at three major trends we're seeing right now. First, AI-generated voiceovers becoming indistinguishable from human voices. Second, automated video editing tools cutting production time by 70%. Third, content research assistants that can identify trending topics before they peak. Let's break down the 5 most powerful AI tools transforming faceless content creation. Tool number 1. VideoSynth Pro. This tool allows you to input a script and generate completely customized animations and visuals. What makes it revolutionary is the context awareness. It actually understands your content and creates relevant visuals automatically. Tool number 2, VoiceClone AI. While text-to-speech has been around for years, VoiceClone takes it to another level. You can now license pre-approved voice profiles or create a completely original voice for your channel that sounds 100% natural. Tool number 3, TrendHunter. This AI analyzes millions of data points across social platforms to identify topics about to explode in popularity. Many top creators are using this to stay weeks ahead of trends rather than chasing them. Tool number 4, ScriptAssist. Writer's block is a thing of the past. This tool not only helps generate ideas but structures them into compelling narratives with hooks, patterns of curiosity, and perfect pacing for audience retention. Tool number 5, EditMaster. This revolutionary editing tool can take your raw footage and script, then automatically create a professional edit with pacing, transitions, and B-roll insertion. What used to take days now takes hours. Now that you understand the tools, let's talk about how faceless channels are monetizing in 2025. Strategy number 1. Niche-specific affiliate marketing. By focusing on solving specific problems within targeted niches, conversion rates for affiliates have increased dramatically. The key is using AI tools to identify exactly what your audience needs. Strategy number 2. Digital product creation. Using AI to help create templates, guides, and digital tools that complement your content has become the highest margin revenue stream for many creators. Strategy number 3. Community building. Even without showing your face, creators are building robust communities using AI moderation tools and personalized engagement strategies. Strategy number 4. Licensing your content. As companies struggle to produce enough content, many are licensing material from successful faceless creators, creating a passive income stream that many overlook. While these tools offer amazing opportunities, there are important ethical considerations. Always disclose when you're using AI-generated elements in your content. Transparency builds trust with your audience. Be mindful of potential biases in AI tools and work to ensure your content remains balanced and fair. Remember that these tools should enhance your creativity, not replace the human touch that makes content genuinely valuable. As we wrap up, remember that these AI tools are just that, tools. The vision, strategy, and value you provide still come from you. The best faceless creators aren't hiding behind technology. They're using it to express their ideas more effectively and reach people who can benefit from their knowledge. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these AI tools you're most excited to try. And if you have questions about getting started with faceless content creation, drop those below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content on building your online presence without showing your face.